someone get FEMA on the phone. I think we're going to qualify after this disaster because it only gets worse.
Running power slam!
Braun Strowman's now looking for a sanctioned bout.
Howard looking, Brock Lesnar! Lesnar with a belly to belly!
Sends Corbin out of the ring!
He is absolutely innovative.
And an end of days courtesy of Baron Corbin!
The Lone Wolf lives up to his moniker.
The big dog's gonna hunt. Superman punch from Roman Reigns!
I don't know what he's setting up. This doesn't end well for somebody.
But the Sister Abigail is delivered by Bray Wyatt!
And Rollins looking to burn it down! With a stop to the champion!
Goldberg looking to end this early.
He's got Lesnar set in the ring.
Goldberg's looking for a jackhammer.
He's looking for the jackhammer! Goldberg looking for the jackhammer! A jackhammer to Lesnar!
The icon is stalking the beast incarnate.
Lesnar can't even get up. Goldberg again.